In today's video, let me show you how to fix Deepseek login problem. If you're having issues logging into your Deepseek account, let me show you a couple of steps that you can follow in order to solve this issue. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to check if it is the right way that you are logging in. For example, if you created your account using your email address, you'll need to select the second option, which is continue with password. This way you'll be able to enter in your email address or your phone number and then type in your password. But in case you use your Google account, you need to select the Google account option in order to successfully log in. So make sure that you verify the way that you created your account, either using your Google account or using your email address. Even if the email address and the Google account are same, the ways of logging in will be different. So once you verify that, your issue should now be fixed. If it is still not fixed, the second thing that you can do is try to clear the cache of Deepseek. If you're using an Android, tap and hold the app and you can head over to app info. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone settings and then offload the application. Once you're inside this setting, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. What you can also do along with this is try to look for any new updates available. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Deepseek, and if you see any new updates available, make sure you update the application. Updating applications help to solve any kinds of issues which may be causing the login problem. Now once you've done these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Deepseek login problem. If you're still having issues after all of these, you just need to wait out a few hours before the login issue is automatically solved. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.